How to add a header in Wix. So you should know that every Wix website has a header by default, but if for some reason it's missing for you or you want to add another one, all we have to do is go to this second option here that says add section, and then we have to choose blank section here. So just click on blank section and it's going to look like this. Now we need to adjust the size of our section here so we make it appropriate to the header, and then we can drag it and drop it to the appropriate page here, or we can move the section up by clicking on the arrow. So now as you can see, I have one header and this section can be named or changed to header 2 if we want to. So now we have a second header. As you can see, we have header and header 2, and basically you can change whatever you want or drag and drop anything you want from your first header to your second header. So I hope this helps you out. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.